So hi, ni hao, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well too. Here is the metro stop. As you can see, it's a bit crowded, but look at the view, guys. Isn't it amazing? I can show you the crowd as it's a national holiday, and if you are, and many people are aware that during national holiday, China becoming very crowded. So I can show you the real China during Chinese national holiday. So guys, you can see the crowd. So look at these billboards, these shopping malls, everywhere you will see crowd, guys. So as you can see, I am here in very famous area, the Bund, and look at the crowd, guys. And first of all, I want to wish you a happy Chinese national holiday to everybody. And yes, I'm here to enjoy and look at the view. But I have never visited the Bund area during Chinese national holiday because of crowd. But this is my first time to experience this, and I want to experience this because I have been told by many people you should go Bund during this time. Of course it is crowded, but you will see a different vibe, and you can see it's the real China. Here you can see the Coca-Cola and Moms and Me, Sephora as well. But and this view, look guys, Moms and Me. Guys, look at this robot coffee machine, and you can see they have menu in English. Order now. Okay, they have got this menu. Price 7 RMB. Cappuccino, matcha. So I came with my friends. We are gonna try this coffee because she like coffee. So let's see what we gonna order. Vanilla latte. And they will give you a lot of options. Regular, normal. Okay, so we have placed our order. This is here. See how they are using technology. You don't need any man to serve you. It's just a robotic machines. They are making coffee for you. And look, here our order, and here they are preparing for us. See how advanced and futuristic China is. Let's wait for our coffee. You see, it's almost done. They are gonna place our lid for us. We are done. It's cold coffee. Let's have a taste. How does it taste? You can try it. Is it good? Okay, so let's go. And yeah, it's a bit crowded. So if you are traveling to explore Shanghai and you came during Chinese national holiday, so I would recommend you can come to another day because it's a bit crowded these days. So you may not able, you can explore actually, but it's crowded. As you can see, it's crowded. If you want to enjoy, you can definitely come. And this is only for kids. And here you can see they are selling something, but you can see they have phone charging. Look at this kid. Wow, they're really enjoying photo shoot. Everywhere they just enjoy photo shoot. You can say national holiday, Mid-Autumn Festival, because it's together this year, I think. And as a woman, as a girl, I feel safe. Look, it's extremely crowded, but you can see still I'm safe. But be careful, guys. If you are coming during national holidays, you may get framed. You may get where you can see the food, guys. These are the food you will get. They are enjoying snacks. Here you can see many people enjoying snacks. They are like barbecue, lamb barbecue. So they are selling barbecues actually. See this shop, they are selling some barbecues. But look at this guy. He's actually enjoying while selling. He looks very happy. And see the weather is also good since it's approaching autumn, so it's not very hot. It's like it feels completely safe while walking. Look at the decoration everywhere. You can see. Wow. And these are actually teas. You can actually taste here if you want to drink. You can smell, you can taste teas for you. Hi, hello. This is tea?
Yeah.
So this is the national holiday vibes. Stir fried shrimp dumplings is really famous. Here actually you can take the photos as well. Wow. Look at these cars. So everywhere you can say something creative, but I look at the people, look at the vibe, actually. Look at the crowd. So, you know, I am here to show you national holiday vibe. So please watch this video till end. No media, nobody is gonna show you the real authentic show. So I have heard from many people. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hi. These things I really appreciate because they manage crowd very well. And also Mid-Autumn Festival is approaching. What do you guys do during the Mid-Autumn Festival? Please mention in the comment section. I get a lot of mooncake these days. I eat a lot of mooncake as well. You can see everywhere there are security guards. You can see everywhere. There are people who are following the rules over there. You can see people are standing in a queue, and here they are following the rules. And look at this display, digital display, LED display. See here, this statue looks so nice. And actually you can see people are sitting around here and there and everywhere. Look behind me, the big billboard screen. So look at the vibe. I'm enjoying. I'm truly enjoying this food. But there are people who are actually buying lotteries because people love to buy lottery, and obviously everybody will want to win. And here you can see the crowd. Crowd is getting more and more if you go. And the crowd. Look at over there. There's an Apple, and as you know, Apple iPhone 17 just launched. So let's go and see whether we get the iPhone 17 or not. Look who this is. Okay, but we are here that side. But to go that side, we need to go till there and then come back. Maybe while return back, we will go and see this. It is taking too much time because of crowd. I don't know how much, but you can see it's extremely crowded. See, I can show you there is a crowd. Now we have to go a bit faster because if we stuck one time again we have to wait for another 5-10 minutes. So let's go quickly, guys. Let's go. Look at the crowd behind me. This is so yes, there is a crowd, but actually it's nice. Just enjoy, just walk with your friends, family. Just enjoy the festive vibe. Yes, the location, guys, where we are now, and you can mention in the comment section. This is quite famous place. So every corner there are security, safety police, which are managing the crowds. But yeah, I can say yes, they are doing their job very well. And this is very famous food street shop here. You can actually eat a lot of snacks. And look at this view. Isn't it amazing? Now you can see the view. Wow, it's stunning view. And I can show you the crowd, guys. This is how Chinese holiday crowd look like in Shanghai. You can see there are drones over there. Okay, let's go that side. And you can see on the road there's a green line. So look at the view, guys. This is the beautiful Shanghai view in the night, guys. And at 8 o'clock, you can see the big clock. So as you can see, it's extremely crowded here. We are not able to click photo as well. So maybe we will plan some other day to come here and have photos or videos here. Because right now it's extremely crowded. You can see behind me. You can see the crowd now. I can show you. This Chinese national holiday. If you don't know what is Chinese national holiday in China, it is called as a golden week because people often get holiday from 1 to 8 October, and it's a long holiday, so people enjoy, people go and you know the flight prices and everything get double during this holiday because everybody travel all across the China, and yes, it is one of the best time for people to travel. But if you are foreigner and visiting China, you should avoid this holiday. And this is very famous spot that is called Peace Hotel. Here they have got lemon tea. We're gonna try some lemon tea, and they have got some local snacks. And they are selling some local snack sausages, and these are some local drinks as well. There are some people who are sitting over there, and look, safe. This is what I say about safety. So right now we are crossing the road. I want to visit Apple Store to see the latest iPhone. So let's go and see. So this is the latest iPhone. So we got a glass. We're gonna get some cold drink from over there. So we have ordered one veg sandwich. Look at the crowd. There are many people. There are foreigner and they are enjoying snacks. This shop name is Five Guys. We have got this veg burger with some cold drinks. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video with another good topic. Till then, bye bye. And again, happy national holiday and Mid-Autumn festival to all.